but some worms. And I forgot to bring my fishing pole or my shoddy. So I literally cannot go turkey hunting or fishing. So that sucks. But I am tomorrow, so head to the scene where we feed the fish. You guys, so I caught me a nice big roll of worms. And that's it. Ooh, I just watched the bass blend in this time of year. This type of Batman. Something big just came up. You'll get hit instantly. Yep. See you guys at the next word.
They were gill fish. So, just using tiny hook. Tiny bait right on that hook. That way, go to grab it. We're not even casting it because the pole then broke off. Watch. Count how many seconds since it's been in there. Maybe that bait was a little smaller. Or maybe it's not in the right spot. It's odd. I get it. It's barely bigger than the hook. See, you always want to make sure you set them up for a good hook. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we're on, boys. Oh, that's a small one. Oh no, he's kind of big. Not the biggest. You know. See him out there? I'm gonna get him off the hook real quick. Barely hooked him.